Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Where are we going next? Today we're here at Bahia Principe Riviera Maya, and we're in front of the Bahia Principe Grand Coba right now, and we're going to take a tour through this hotel, show you what this hotel has to offer. So we're standing out, as we normally do, in front of the hotel. This area is where the resort transportation or airport transportation will pick you up and drop you off, in addition to picking up any trolleys that can take you through the hotel to your rooms. And one thing to note about this hotel is it's not located on the beach, so there is another trolley that will take you down to the beach area too. So without further ado, let's head inside. So as you come inside the front entrance of the lobby here, the bellman here will be happy to help you with your luggage. And then I just want to give you a little wayfinding here in the main lobby. So over here to the left, this is where the shops are going to be. Just over here to the left is where the entrance to the buffet is going to be. Straight ahead past the statues is going to be where the pools and guest rooms are located. Just over here to the right is where the front desk is located. And then finally down this hallway right here is where the theater and sports bar are located over there. I just want to point out too that there are these little iPads just along the walls of the hotel, and one back over there as well, that'll give you information about the hotel. This is Galleria Tonala, and it's a small little souvenir shop, as you can see here. There's a jewelry store as well here. So again, just sweeping around the lobby here, you can see here's another view of the front desk. We're actually going to turn around this way and head down this hallway to see the main buffet. And then we head down here. You can see on the left side, beside this Mayan artwork here, there's washrooms just here and here. So just to the left here we can see the lobby shop, and then down here there's another shop called Bahia shop, which is more branded towards Bahia Principe attire and swimwear and toys and things like that. So just across from the lobby shop you'll find Kukulcan buffet, and this is the main buffet here at the resort. This is where you'll take breakfast, lunch and dinner, unless you booked an a la carte restaurant, because there are 5 a la carte restaurants here on the property. We did a full breakfast and dinner buffet tour of the food offered here at Coba, so we'll link that down below and you can find that on our YouTube channel. So we're back in the main lobby now. So just left of the lobby's front desk, we go down this hallway. As I said before, this is going to lead us to the sports bar and the theater. So if we continue down the hallway, here's another small shop that's got all kinds of different attire in as well. And then just across from that, here to the left, is the arcade. So this is going to be connected to the sports bar, which we'll look at in just a second. In fact, actually, this is the sports bar right here, the entrance. And just to let you know, you can come in here and watch some TVs and things like that, because they do, as the name insinuates, they have sports on the TVs up here. And just an FYI that there is another entrance to the sports bar from the main kind of like plaza area, which we'll go visit in just a few minutes. Part of the sports bar is this little arcade here. This little machine right here is where you'd buy a rechargeable card. So outside of the sports bar now, and then continuing down the hallway, this is going to be where the theater is located and another set of washrooms. So I am standing in the middle, well, sort of off to the side of the theater right now. They're setting up for the City of Rock show tonight, and there's a really big open space here. Lots of seats set up here for watching the shows. This is the bar that'll be in service when the theater comes to life. So you can come up here and grab a drink. All right, so what we're gonna do now is just head back to the lobby down this hallway here, past the bathrooms here. And then we're gonna check out the pools and restaurants out in the main area, in and amongst all the different guest villas. All right, so continuing on here, just behind me is the main lobby, and this is the entrance to the pools. So if we look over this way, so this is where the main lobby bar is, just here. So they can get you a drink as you hang out in the lobby here. And then over here they have like a cappuccino machine and then some small bites. There's not anything right now, but it's probably being refreshed. And there is lots of space, lots of seats in the lobby here, as you can see. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna head down these stairs here, out into the main plaza area. If we look over to the left, this is another entrance over into Kukulcan buffet, if you didn't want to walk all the way through the lobby. And if we look over this way, there's a small stage set up. So this is like an outdoor plaza where they play some live music. There's a bar here that opens up in the evening time to kind of serve the plaza area. This is another entrance up to the sports bar. So there's some steps here, and then there's also an accessible entrance here to get up to the sports bar. So we already took a look at the sports bar, but we didn't take a look at the gym here. So the gym is located just left of the sports bar, down on the lower level. So you'd go down these stairs here. So just inside the gym here, they've got some great equipment here. Got some kickboxing bags over there, a big area for some stretching or yoga. And then through the main entrance area here, they've got like a cardio area just here. And they've got a towel service here as well. And then just behind the front desk here is washrooms too for changing. All right, so moving from the gym and sports bar and heading this way, here's an entrance to Coliseum. Actually didn't see that when we first looked at the theater, but the theater is called Coliseum. And then over here to the left of the theater, this will make up the last little area of the main lobby building. This is the Teen Club and Kids Club. So the Teens Club here is called Wildfires, and then the Kids Club is just around the way just there. So just outside the Kids Club, there's a sign that says the Bahia Scouts Water Park. So if we turn over this way, this is going to be kind of heading towards the main pool area and the Bahia Scouts Water Park. So as you can see, there's some splash fountains and some slides and stuff. There's some small things to kind of crawl through and some slides back there to go down. And then just beyond over here is going to be the washrooms area. Okay, so we just came from down this little walkway right here. So if we turn all the way over this way, we're in the main roundabout right now. And if we look up here, this is the main lobby. So what we're gonna do is we're going to go through this main pool area and then come back to this main lobby here, or main roundabout area, and then head over to check out another area in the other pool. But we'll use this as sort of our reference point from the lobby. So we're just continuing down this walkway here, and looking over to the right, you can see some more features of the water park. And as we come over here, this is the main pool area. So there's a big pool area, obviously to swim. There's a small little shallower end here. There's these like pool umbrellas here that you can grab a seat under. And if you can hear in the background, there's some activities going on. This is more so the main activity pool. Just over here to the left is Pisces, or I think it's Pisces perhaps. And this is a snack bar here that's located at the pool. And there is outdoor seating here too. And, oh sorry, kind of a terrace seating, and then more like restaurant seating up there. So just coming from over here, sorry it's a little bit loud. There is a bridge just to cross over to the other side of the pool. Just to point out, there is a pool bar here with pool seating. All right, so from the pool bar, just a little closer look, there is another whole pool just right here as well. A little bit away from the activity, but it is a little bit noisy still over here. And then just to point out, across from the pool bar is another snack bar here, or like a small pool grill. We're just going to the left side of Pisces here. Also to let you know, there is a buffet here at Pisces and a full bar here too that you can get some drinks at. But I also wanted to point out that they have like a more calm, private like jacuzzi area. And yeah, just like a little relaxation away from the activity pool. All right, so we're just coming back to the main roundabout here. As you can see, one of the trolleys leaving. So again, this is the main roundabout. That's the main lobby. Over here was the water park. So coming over here, you can see here's a guest villa. We did a room tour of the rooms here offered at Bahia Principe Grand Coba, and you can find that on our YouTube channel. Just to the left of us here is Bahia Spa, so you can get any kind of treatments done here, like massages, facials, and things like that. And then just down from Bahia Spa is going to be the entrance into the gourmet restaurant, Le Gourmet. And then just down from Le Gourmet, this is the restaurant Japanese called Mikado. Okay, so from Mikado and Le Gourmet, if we look behind us down this pathway here, this is going to lead us to the next pool area. So again, very similar. We got different sun umbrellas here. We've got a big pool. Lots of shade here actually, with lots of palm trees scattered around the pool. And if we make our way around, we can see this is the pool bar and also a stand-up or kind of walk-up bar here. But as we come across here, we're going to come up on La Casita. And La Casita is actually like a brand new snack bar restaurant. And it's sort of like, if you watched our Tulum video, it's kind of like themed off the food truck there, where there's like a automatic ordering system as well. All right, so from the Casita here, we turn over this way, and down this path is going to lead us to some more a la carte restaurants. So continuing on down the path, this is Mediterranean a la carte restaurant. But I'm going to take a left down this pathway here because we did miss one a la carte restaurant, which is just over here. All right, so coming around the corner here, as I showed just in the previous clip there, this is the fusion restaurant, Mashua. So from Mashua, we're going to head down the pathway we just sort of came back up and towards the last a la carte restaurant. So it's called Cozumel, which is actually an Italian restaurant. So this is the entrance to the Italian restaurant, which is called Cozumel. So we're going to turn around this way now and walk through this small little plaza. Again, there's some shops here. So this is part of it's like a little pueblo or like a little village. So from the little village, we want to show you one more little jacuzzi pool, and then we'll head to the beach and show you the beach here at Coba. So then coming down the pathway here, this is going to be another very quiet jacuzzi pool. There's a little bar here, but there's no one there kind of tending it, so it's just like a self-serve kind of water and fruit juice. The jacuzzi pool is quite shallow, but they do have like a spot where you can sit down in like small little jacuzzis, and there are washrooms here as well. So yeah, so that's gonna do it for the hotel area. So we're gonna head over to the beach now and take a look at the beach, show you guys what the beach is like, and we'll wrap up the video down there. All right, so we made it. We're down on the beach here at Coba. I'm actually just standing with my back to Akumal right now, the resort. All right, so this is our final section of our Coba video. As I said before, all the blue chairs over here and sun huts are for the Coba beach. There's also a little pier here for a cool picture opportunity. And this little lagoon here is nicely protected by this rock area here to keep the waves at a minimum. But yeah, this is gonna do it for our tour for Bahia Principe Grand Coba. Hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to find out where we're going next.